how to get a guy to miss you. Stay tuned for this. Hello everyone, I'm Sindy V King. I'm a relationship and dating coach and also a Vedic astrologer. I'm so excited here to tell you a little bit of an important topic that people want to know: how to get a guy to miss you. Thank you so much for subscribing if you are my subscribers, and if you have not subscribed, please do so right now. There's a link down below and you can do that. If you're coming back from a video, thank you so much for doing that. And here we go. So tip number one is you want to be mysterious. So mysterious meaning it's always an incomplete story. So they're almost like cliffhangers. It's almost like to be continued kind of thing if you want further. So if he's texting you, asking you questions, just keep it to really simple and really mysterious, that he wants to learn more. It's like, I'm having this really exciting party that's happening on the weekend, and that's it. That's it. And just give him a mysterious peek of what you're celebrating, right? You probably want to know. So that keeps him really engaged. Number two is leave on a high note and be positive. So when he's texting you or calling you, don't be negative, don't be hurtful. Don't ask him like, why haven't you contacted me? Why haven't you been here? Why you haven't done this? I think it's a really important factor in this area to be a positive and leave on a high note, because when you are leaving a positive impression, I think the energy wants to track more closer to you. Here's the thing. I think it's really important to create a life which is an authentic life, a wonderful and adventurous. When I say that, this is just simply mean that you're doing activities, you're not sitting at home in pajamas and crying over when is he coming back, if he's going to miss you or not. I think it's a really important factor that you're going to go out there, create a certain lifestyle, go out and do certain things, and perspective as well. I think it's such a really, really important place to do so, and be adventurous and wonderful. And you can definitely create even what I call a mission board or even a collage for yourself. And that could be posting on Instagram, on Facebook, that what you're really inspired. If you want to go and travel to Europe, you can write things like that and just create a place of adventures and wonderful things that's surrounded in your life. Here's another one. Self-care is a big factor. When you take care of your body and eat healthy things, I think that's something that you can definitely manifest in the world. And that's just simply allowing yourself to do that is self-caring. And that's sometimes if you need a makeover, why not? Like, I'm just wearing a nice orange bright shirt and I really like my nice red lipstick, and just getting my hair done and just simply wash it, just keep it nice and flat, or things like that. So self-care is a big factor. It's such a big turn on when it comes to those factors. Here's the thing. I think if you start dating other men, that means just hanging out, could be a platonic friend as well, or just dating online. I think a man is attracted to the fact that he wants to win your heart. So if he starts to notice or start a sniff test that you're hanging out with other men, I think absolutely he's like, where is she at? I have to get a hold of her. Who she's with, wondering, being really mysterious. I think that will really engage him to wanting to interact you even more. To be able, so the next one is you want to create more by leaving. So here it is. You don't have to be needy. You don't have to be up in his alley and anything in that. You have to give space. And so that's just simply giving space to him, wanting you more. So the more that you contact, the more that you are approaching him, the more that you are doing for him, the more you're doing that. Of course, he's not going to give any time and a place to miss you. So I would say back off. And if you can't back off, I think we need to take your phone away and unplug you and put you out in nature. That will be your capital punishment. If you are doing that, please leave a comment down below. Definitely, I have a video about non-negotiable. If you want to watch about that, you can click up there. Okay, so here's another tip is don't over chase. So stop chasing him, and that simply means no contact. Look, I'm no technology guru. I'm not a tech guru of any sort, but I just want to let you know here specifically that you can have no contact with him, and you don't have to necessarily delete him off your contact. You can all on Facebook, you can put on the following news, unfollow them so it doesn't come in your feed all the time. You can do that on Instagram as well. You can still follow, you can still be friends or whatever and connect, but you don't have to see his feed. And that's totally fine. I think it's a great way to do that. No contact. So no contact, so it gives him a chance to connect with you. So that means dress to impress for yourself, and so that other people as well will notice that you are vibrant and you're open, you're very receptive, especially if you're a female, you're receptive and you are going to be the wondering woman. So that's just simply, you can be like wondering where you are at, you look so great. It gives him an opportunity to give compliment. And let me tell you, you don't have to break the bank account to do that. You can mix and match. You can do a capsule wardrobe. You can look really great, just a simple blouser like this, which is very highly vibrant. You can, check out earrings and colors and just post it up what you're really inspired about yourself, that you did something unique. And yes, it takes effort. Yes, it takes effort. And like I said, you don't have to go out and do shopping. You know what? I love consignment, and you can find great stuff, and you can borrow things from your girlfriend or do trade off. I think they're so great. Be your own woman. So go with the style that you feel comfortable. Don't copy anybody else. Be your authentic self. And everything I have given you, these are the tips that's going to give him an opportunity to miss you. So he's going to be wondering where you at, what are you doing, and it gives him no force to maybe to contact you sooner than later. That's the idea. So don't ever chase a guy, because you're so much better than that. All right, bye now. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends, because sharing is caring. If you want my help in your relationship or dating situation, you can always book a time with me. Check out the link below. To stay in touch, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you can be notified when I post new videos. Please go ahead, hit the like button, because it encourages me to create more contents like this every week for you. If you have an idea for a video, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.